The YIHUA 939D Plus IV solder station boasts a powerful 300-watt soldering iron, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks such as working with large components and thick wires. This soldering station features rapid and stable heating, reaching 300 degrees Celsius in just 28 seconds, thanks to its advanced temperature stabilization technology. With 3 different soldering iron tips included, this station is versatile enough to handle a variety of soldering tasks, offering both efficiency and precision. It offers user-friendly features such as a detachable soldering gun and an integrated soldering tip design, which makes changing tips a breeze without needing extra tools. The station is equipped with multiple configurable parameters, including adjustable temperatures and a sleep mode, which enhance its usability and extend the lifespan of the heating element. For added safety and convenience, the station includes an ESD-safe design, an independent power switch, and a digital display that shows crucial information like temperature and preset channels.